Nigerian lawyer and Nollywood actor Kenneth Okonkwo has accused the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) of deliberately undermining opposition efforts in the country's political landscape. Speaking on Arise Television on Monday, 9th of June 2025, Okonkwo claimed that INEC is effectively operating as a department of the ruling All Progressive Congress (APC), a statement that underscores growing concerns about electoral fairness in Nigeria. The INEC is a department of APC, Okonkwo alleged, warning that electoral body is placing a lot of roadblocks for the opposition and engages in a lot of obstacles. He insisted that the current administration is rigged against genuine political competition, particularly for groups seeking to challenge the APC government. Okonkwo also alleged rumors that a coalition of opposition forces, spearheaded by former Vice President Atiku Abubakar, is already facing internal cracks. He dismissed these claims, asserting that the group remains united in its mission to unseat President Bola Ahmed Tinubu
for a common goal. Nigerians like formulating stories, which I call market talk. How can something be in disarray when it has not started? People are talking, and some opponents are already selling to you that it's in disarray. All we have now is common priorities. We don't have individual differences because the time for individual ambition has not commenced. So we are just talking about the options that we have, which is the option of, do we go for a new party altogether? Now, with INEC as a department of APC, you know that they put unnecessary roadblocks to the opposition and engages in a lot of rough tackle.
According to Okonkwo, all political weight involved in the coalition currently share one objective: to remove the APC-led government from power. Okonkwo further revealed that the coalition is considering forming a new political party, but remains wary of INEC's tactics. His remarks come amid growing scrutiny of INEC's conduct ahead of the 2027 elections, as opposition weigh their options in what many see as the high-stake political contest. Share your thoughts with us in the comment box section below. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Please stay tuned to Naija News TV.